Good morning, my free folk. All right. Um, so yesterday, let's jump back to SPX. Yesterday, we closed on this really nice hammer. So we would expect it to break this high and continue its march up. And this is a pretty strong bar right here. Um, we came down, we tested that 20-day, and then it turned around and moved on up again. And the momentum didn't really swing around too much, which is disconcerting. So this morning I woke up and I saw that the futures were down about 17, and now they have fought their way back. They're only down around 4. So actually the futures are making another hammer, and I suspect that we are going to get that push up today. We may come down and test the low of these futures. So we may take an initial dip and turn around, but I think we're breaking the hammer tomorrow. This is the futures daily. I think we're breaking the hammer today and grinding up a little bit. Should be a light volume day. We also have oil today, and we have Feds this afternoon. The only fears I see out there, Germany talking about locking down. But that should lower oil. I mean, any knee-jerk reaction on the downside for investing purposes, I would buy on the dips. Biden's going to release some fuel and lower our fuel costs. Germany slowing down, Europe slowing down a little bit. That's going to slow down the consumption of goods, kind of slow down inflation, which is what we need. And they're talking about materials starting to free up at the ports. So we've kind of peaked at the bottleneck situation. So going forward, you could see things easing up a little bit. And yeah, it's a bitch that Europe is slowing down a little bit because it compromises the global growth. But them slowing down a little bit, easing up some goods for us, freeing up some cash in the U.S. pocket. Will be okay because eventually they'll roll around, they'll get a handle on this COVID thing, and they'll start consuming goods, and the economy will start growing again. So I like what I see, even though Biden's at the wheel. So buy the dips. That's what I'm saying. As far as today, I mean, we could watch today, watch for the breaks today. And just remember, tomorrow the market's closed. Friday's a half a day. Really, traders are running out of here at noon today and heading to their families, doing their traveling. And a lot of guys will have their eye on the market Friday, but won't really do anything. And Monday starts the game. So just remember, calm and cool. Everybody enjoy their Thanksgiving. If I don't hear from them, be at peace and good luck trading.